The SuperNova control panel allows you to access all of SuperNova's features and settings, laid out in an easy-to-use, smooth panning button bar to better suit your eyesight. You can open the control panel by finding it in the Windows taskbar or by pressing left Control and spacebar on the keyboard. The control panel is divided into two sections, the button bar and the menu bar. The button bar gives you access to the main features in SuperNova by dividing them in separate tabs. These include the Visual, Speech, Braille, and Media tabs. Simply click the relevant tab to access the settings for each feature. You can also press Control and Tab to move between the sections, and then press Tab to move to your desired feature.
Speech checkbox. Volume. Speed.
You can also tab to the feature's drop-down menu and change the feature settings to your specifications.
Voice. Language. US English.
The menu bar gives you access to all the features in your SuperNova edition and includes more advanced options. Simply click the relevant menu and then choose the item you want. You can also press the Alt key to access the menu bar and browse through the items by using the arrow keys. Press Escape to hide the control panel and go back to where you were previously working. Remember, bring up the control panel by pressing left Control and spacebar. Press Tab to browse the button bar for SuperNova's main features, and press Tab again to access the drop-down menu bar. Press Alt to switch to the menu bar for more advanced features. Press Escape to hide the control panel. For more information on how to use SuperNova, visit us online at yourdolphin.com/support.